Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You asked me to show you another free Clickbank affiliate marketing method, and in today's video I'm going to show you a method that I actually learned from Franklin Hatchett. And yes, this method is free, but you will need to invest some time and some work. But before we begin, please like this video, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. With that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. For this Clickbank affiliate marketing method, obviously first thing you will need to do a research and you will need to find your niche. But let's say that you already did the research and that you already find your niche. And let's say for this example that your niche is yoga. First thing you need to do, you need to come on Pinterest and you need to create your Pinterest page. And on that page you need to create boards, and each of those boards you should name by yoga sub niches. And you know those sub niches because you already did a research. And you need to optimize your Pinterest page and you need to optimize your each Pinterest boards. But we will talk about that some other time. And after you created your page, you need to start uploading photos and videos in those boards, and especially videos. And to find royalty-free images and videos that you can upload on Pinterest, you can use Pixabay or Pexels. And let's say I'm going to use Pexels. And here in search bar, I'm just going to type yoga. And click search. And here you can see royalty-free yoga images that you can upload to your Pinterest account. And you can also edit these images and then upload it to your Pinterest account. So let's say I wish to use this photo. So I will just click on it. And as you can see here, free to use. So let's just open this. And when you come here, you will see all photos and videos on Pexels are free to use. Attribution not required. But they would appreciate if you actually give attribution. You can modify photos and videos from Pexels. So you can use these images and videos any way you want. And to download this image, just click here on free download. And click OK. And that's it. I downloaded this image. So just exit this. And let's exit this. And you can also find videos. Let me just scroll back and click here on videos. And here you can see royalty-free yoga videos that you can upload to your Pinterest page. And also you can edit these videos and then upload it to your Pinterest page. And to download it, it's exactly the same like downloading photos like I just showed you a minute ago. But it often happens that Pinterest ban affiliate links. So if you don't want to make your own website or you don't know how to make websites, you can actually use a tool called Linktree. And you can use free version, it will get the job done. So it's really simple to use. You have some settings here, you have some appearance, but you don't need any of those. And to add links to this page, just click here on add link. And here you can add your affiliate link, and not just one, but you can add 2, 3, 4, 5 affiliate links to 5 different products, and people can choose one of those affiliate products. And to add that link, let's just say I wish to add link to my Instagram page. So for the title, I'll just say Zoran IG. IG. And here I will paste URL, and let's just press enter. And as you can see, Zoran IG. And I can add another link. And let's say, just for example, I will add this link again. Let's say Zoran. And I will add link, same link again, and press enter. And this is how this looks. And you can add, like I said, 5, maybe even 10 links to this tree. And when you finish, just copy this URL here. Just click here on share, click copy my Linktree URL, and it's copied. So what you need to do now is you need to go back on Pinterest and you need to start uploading those images and videos that you downloaded from Pixabay and from Pexels. So just click here on this plus and click on pin. And let's just find the image that I wish to upload, and that is the image that I downloaded from Pexels. And click here. And let's just find that image. This is it. Click on it. You need to add your title, you need to add your description, choose the board that you wish to add, and here where it says destination link, you will actually paste your Linktree link. So when people click on this image, they will actually go on your Linktree offer and they will see 5, 10 affiliate offers that you added to your Linktree. And I would suggest to upload at least 5 to 10 images and videos every day. And on all of those images and videos, add your Linktree link. But instead of uploading simple images like this, I would actually suggest to upload images with call to action. Just like this, as you can see, Yoga for Men, the complete beginner's guide. And you can easily make these images in Canva. And when you make it like this, when you make it with call to action, there is a bigger chance that people will actually click on this image and get to your link tree. And then click on one of your affiliate offers. And you can do a similar thing with videos as well, just like this. And like I said, always add call to action. And when you start uploading videos and images every day, people will start engaging with your content. And you will start getting clicks on your images and videos, and you will start driving traffic to your Linktree and to your Clickbank offers. So this is how you do Clickbank affiliate marketing without website. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.